When I was new, I didn't know where my career will go. Initially, my films were not even successful, but then I learned a lot from my mistakes. The truth is that no matter how many retakes you do, each will be different, and that is the nature of any creative medium. There is no such thing as perfection. The rule I have when choosing films is the excitement factor. I need to feel excited about the story and whatever message the film has, only then do I sign on the dotted line. The journey that I have undertaken, meeting people from all walks of life and learning from them, has been my biggest achievement. Our society covers these problems with a veil. All I want is an open discussion. Mammootty sir is an idol for me. His uniqueness in developing characters is quite amazing. Losing someone we love or the fear of losing someone we love one day is a difficult experience, and we can all relate to it. None of us are an exception to this reality. If a script has that effect on me during a reading, then it is definitely a film I want to be part of. If a film has a social message, it is very important for me to know what the message is and how it's going to be delivered, but it's not something I look for all the time. I personally feel that I should support people who are doing good work, and people should also support such good work. I have had unsuccessful films, but I learned a lot from those films. I give my failures as much importance as my success. I enjoy the love I receive from my fans and my audience. But I think I know what is real for me and what is not. I don't do films because they tell a particular kind of story. I do films with stories that touch me. I do what I feel is right. I do not fear to walk on a new path and take risks. I do not believe that I am a perfectionist one bit. I truly believe that perfection is something that no one can achieve. I am more spiritual than religious. Besides, I am not fanatic. Box office figures are not something that can decide the success of a film on its own, but they are one of the many yardsticks that help me measure how well a film has been received. Filmmaking is a creative process, so there is a lot of collaboration that happens on set between an actor and director, but at the end of the day, we are there to actualize the director's vision and things happen organically.